Signs that your skin wants a microdermabrasion refresher. You know that we all have those weeks, right? Too busy, too tired, or just too distracted to keep up with our skincare routine. Skipping your microdermabrasion a time or two might not feel like a big deal, but notice your skin is sending out distress signals. It is craving that refresher. If you've missed a few sessions recently, keep an eye out for these signs that your skin wants a little extra TLC. Your complexion looks dull or tired? Does your skin look a bit lackluster in the mirror before bedtime? Dullness sets in when dead skin cells start to build up on the surface. Microdermabrasion gently exfoliates this top layer, allowing fresh, radiant skin cells to shine through. If your glow is looking a bit tired at night, you are probably due for your microdermabrasion pick-me-up. Your skincare products aren't absorbing as fast as they used to. Does your eye serum or moisturizer sit on your skin for 5 minutes instead of soaking in right away? That's another bad sign. When dead cells accumulate, they create a barrier that even the best moisturizers and serums cannot efficiently penetrate. A quick microdermabrasion session will clear the path to rapid absorption again. Always apply your post-treatment topicals as soon as you step out of the shower. The time window for best absorption, 5 to 10 minutes post-treatment. Uneven texture is making an unwelcome comeback? Rough patches or dry spots cropping up again? Microdermabrasion smooths the skin's surface, evening out those unwelcome areas prone to dryness or roughness. Missing your routine means your skin must fend for itself, and that usually means it's not as soft and supple as it should be. A little exfoliation is likely all you need to restore that smooth skin feel. Fine lines and wrinkles? Becoming noticeable again? Are those fine lines or crow's feet returning? It might be because your skin is hanging on to those older, rougher skin cells. Regular microdermabrasion will promote cell turnover, softening the appearance of fine lines and giving your skin a smoother, more youthful look and feel. Your skin tone looks a bit uneven or blotchy? Noticed any blotchiness that wasn't there last week? Uneven skin tone is a telltale sign that your skin's natural renewal process needs a boost. Microdermabrasion promotes a more uniform appearance by sloughing away dead pigmented cells, leaving you refreshed and looking better. Are you breaking out more than usual? Skipping your microdermabrasion routine allows oils and debris to clog your pores, leading to unexpected breakouts. If you are seeing more blemishes than usual, your skin just might be calling out for a good exfoliation that clears those pores and reduces future flare-ups. Time for a reset? If any of these are familiar, it is probably time to get back on track with your microdermabrasion routine. Consistency is key to maintaining that vibrant, youthful look. The good news? A single session makes a noticeable difference, helping restore your skin's balance and natural glow. Taking the time to reset your skin doesn't just keep it looking good, it feels good too. Giving your complexion a little extra love is just as important as caring for the rest of your body. If you have missed a few sessions, just get back to basics. Life gets busy, but your skincare doesn't have to suffer. 1 minute a day of microdermabrasion in shower makes all the difference. Your skin will visibly thank you for it.